Dumbbell bench press. Unleash your true strength and transform your life. The dumbbell bench press is not merely an exercise. It's a dynamic journey that challenges your physical limits and awakens the inner warrior within. This powerhouse movement is performed by lying on a bench and lifting a pair of dumbbells, engaging your chest, pectorals, shoulders, deltoids, and triceps in a symphony of muscle activation. Unlike the traditional barbell bench press, using dumbbells forces each side of your body to work independently, ensuring balance development and the activation of crucial stabilizer muscles. This increased range of motion not only deepens the stretch and contraction in your muscles, but also enhances your overall coordination and strength. Imagine stepping into the gym with a fierce determination and the knowledge that every representative you complete is a step toward a stronger, more confident version of yourself. As you settle onto the bench, you can almost hear the pulse of your heart echoing the promise of transformation. The cool grip of the dumbbells in your hands is your ticket to a world where the burn in your muscles is a badge of honor, a tangible sign that you are challenging your limits and pushing past comfort. Lowering the weights with controlled precision, you feel the tension in your chest and the stretch in your arms, a powerful reminder that progress is born from embracing the struggle. As you press the dumbbells upward, the explosive force generated by your pectorals, shoulders, and triceps combines to propel you to new heights. Each upward push is more than just a physical movement, it's an emotional declaration of your determination to conquer every challenge. The dumbbell bench press teaches you that the path to greatness is not paved with ease, but with perseverance, sweat, and the relentless drive to be better than you were yesterday. With every rep, you are not just sculpting a chiseled upper body, you are building the resilience and mental fortitude that define champions. This exercise is a celebration of symmetry and balance, turning each session into a ritual of self-improvement and discipline. Proper form is key. Your feet planted firmly on the ground, your back slightly arched to support a stable base, and your grip secure on the dumbbells. As you lower the weights, you embrace the vulnerability of your muscles, each stretch a testament to the flexibility and readiness required to face life's challenges. And as you push upward, you are reminded that every ounce of effort contributes to a stronger, more formidable physique. The burn is not an enemy, it is the glow of progress, a sign that you are on the right track toward mastering your body and mind. The dumbbell bench press goes far beyond the confines of a typical workout. It is a mirror reflecting your inner strength and a powerful metaphor for life itself. Each rep is a reaffirmation that growth often comes through discomfort, that every struggle is a stepping stone towards personal excellence. In this exercise, you learn that setbacks are temporary and that persistence is the key to breaking through any barrier. The challenge of balancing and stabilizing the weights forces you to develop not only muscle but also a disciplined mindset, preparing you for all of life's unpredictable twists and turns. Embrace the truth that your body is capable of incredible feats when fueled by passion and perseverance. Every time you lie down on that bench and face the dumbbells, you are accepting a challenge that transcends the physical. It's a promise to yourself to never settle for mediocrity. Whether you're aiming to build a well-defined chest, achieve explosive upper body strength, or simply carve out a more balanced physique, the dumbbell bench press stands as a testament to your commitment and hard work. The effort you put into each representative will echo into every aspect of your life, driving you to overcome obstacles and reach for the extraordinary. So let the dumbbell bench press be more than just another exercise in your routine. Let it be the catalyst for transformation, a daily reminder that the strength you build in the gym mirrors the strength you cultivate in life. Embrace the challenge, relish the burn, and let every push upward be a victory over doubt. Stand tall with the knowledge that every drop of sweat is an investment in a future where you are unstoppable, resilient, and always striving for greatness. Step up to the bench, grab those dumbbells, and press forward into a life defined by power, balance, and unwavering determination. Incline dumbbell press. Elevate your strength and ignite your upper body. The incline dumbbell press is more than just a workout. It's a transformative journey that challenges your limits and unlocks untapped potential in your upper body. Lying back on an inclined bench, you set the stage to target the upper portion of your chest, shoulders, and triceps with precision and power. Every rep is a battle against gravity and your own resistance, forging muscles into a sculpted masterpiece and cultivating a mindset of relentless determination. Imagine the inclined bench as your launch pad for greatness. As you grip each dumbbell, you're not only preparing to press weight, but also embracing a challenge that elevates your entire fitness journey. The steep angle shifts the focus, igniting your upper chest fibers and demanding intense stabilization from your shoulders. With every controlled lowering and forceful press, you feel your muscles awaken, growing stronger and more defined. The incline dumbbell press isn't just about physical transformation, it's a metaphor for rising above obstacles and pushing your boundaries. This exercise forces each side of your body to work independently, erasing muscle imbalances and building symmetry. The independent movement required by dumbbells enhances coordination and forces stabilizer muscles into action, which translates into better overall balance and injury prevention. As you press upward, the controlled motion requires you to engage your core, maintain perfect posture, and harness explosive power from every fiber in your upper body. Every drop of sweat is proof of your commitment, a tangible reminder that progress comes from hard work and perseverance. The incline dumbbell press is also an emotional journey, a test of mental fortitude and focus. Picture the moment when, mid-rep, you overcome the burn and push past that last, seemingly impossible hurdle. That sensation of triumph isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's the very essence of what drives champions. It's a powerful affirmation that your body is capable of more than you ever imagined, and that every struggle is a stepping stone toward greatness. With each press, you're not merely lifting weights, you're lifting your spirit, igniting a fire within that propels you to face any challenge head-on. Mastering the incline dumbbell press requires attention to form, focus, and the courage to embrace discomfort. Plant your feet firmly, secure your back against the bench, and let your arms follow a natural arc as you lower the weights. In that controlled descent, feel the stretch in your chest and the engagement of your deltoids, a reminder that every movement is a deliberate act of strength and resilience. Then, with explosive energy, press the weights upward, conquering gravity and celebrating the sheer power of your will. Each repetition builds not just muscle, but character, discipline, and an unbreakable resolve. This exercise is a celebration of progress, a ritual that transforms every gym session into a personal victory. The incline dumbbell press teaches you that setbacks are merely setups for an epic comeback, that the burn in your muscles is the glow of success in progress. It's a call to rise above the ordinary, to sculpt an upper body that mirrors the strength of your spirit. As you push through each rep, you're reminded that greatness is achieved not in moments of ease, but through the courage to confront challenges head-on and emerge victorious. So, step into your power with the incline dumbbell press. Embrace the challenge, relish the burn, and let every press be a declaration that you are committed to evolving into the best version of yourself. This is more than an exercise, it's a testament to your dedication, a daily ritual that builds a legacy of strength and perseverance. Grasp those dumbbells, set your sights high, and press forward into a life defined by passion, power, and unwavering determination. Cable fly. Sculpt your chest with precision and passion. The cable fly is more than a mere exercise. It's an art form that sculpts your chest and ignites a fire within, driving you to conquer every challenge. Standing between the cable stacks, you grasp the handles with unwavering focus, knowing that each controlled pull is a step toward a chiseled, defined physique. This exercise uniquely isolates the pectoral muscles by providing continuous tension throughout the full range of motion, ensuring that every representative transforms into a battle against resistance and a testament to your perseverance. Imagine the sensation as you lean forward, your arms extending gracefully as the cables stretch out, and then pull the handles together in a fluid, powerful motion. With every contraction, you feel your chest fibers engage deeply, working in perfect harmony to create a sculpted masterpiece. The cable fly demands precision and control, challenging your mind-muscle connection as it molds your body with every representative. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about honing a focused, determined mindset that can overcome any obstacle. Each rep is an invitation to embrace the burn, the slight discomfort that signals progress and growth. The continuous resistance from the cables ensures that your muscles remain under tension at all times, fostering both strength and endurance. It's a reminder that true progress is earned through persistence and the willingness to push beyond your comfort zone. As you execute each movement with deliberate care, you're not only crafting a well-defined chest but also reinforcing the discipline and resilience that define champions. The beauty of the cable fly lies in its ability to merge artistry with raw power. It transforms your workout into a rhythmic ritual where every breath, every contraction, and every drop of sweat contributes to a legacy of strength. Let this exercise serve as your daily reminder that challenges are opportunities in disguise. Each rep is a declaration of your commitment to self-improvement. Embrace the tension, savor the burn, and let your determination shine through as you sculpt the chest that mirrors your inner drive. Grab those handles, step into your power, and let every cable fly representative be a bold step toward the extraordinary version of yourself. Parallel bar dips, the ultimate journey to upper body mastery. Parallel bar dips are a dynamic, compound exercise that serve as a cornerstone for building formidable upper body strength and endurance. Performed on a set of sturdy, parallel bars, this bodyweight exercise primarily targets your chest, triceps and shoulders, while also engaging your core and back muscles for stabilization. As you grasp the bars and lower your body between them, you create a controlled environment that challenges every muscle involved, forcing them to work in unison to both lower and push your body back to the starting position. Imagine stepping up to the bars, feeling the cool, firm metal beneath your hands, a signal that you're about to push your limits and transform your physique. With every rep, as you slowly descend, you engage your pectorals in a deep stretch, while your triceps and shoulders steadily bear the load. This descent is not just a physical movement, it's a deliberate act of courage, a moment where you confront your own resistance. Then, as you press upward with explosive energy, you lift not only your body but also your spirit, proving that with determination, you can overcome any obstacle. The parallel bar dip is both a test and a celebration of your body's potential, symbolizing the triumph of self-discipline and mental fortitude over gravity itself. What sets parallel bar dips apart is their versatility and the subtle variations you can introduce to emphasize different muscle groups. Lean slightly forward to put more focus on your chest, or maintain an upright posture to highlight the triceps. Each adjustment allows you to tailor the exercise to your unique fitness goals. This adaptability makes dips an invaluable addition to any strength training regimen, ensuring that your muscles are continuously challenged and sculpted into a well-balanced, powerful physique. Beyond the physical benefits, parallel bar dips are a profound metaphor for personal growth. Each controlled descent and forceful ascent reflects the balance between vulnerability and strength, a reminder that progress is achieved through embracing discomfort and rising above it. As you navigate through the challenging range of motion, you learn to trust your body, improve your balance, and develop a keen mind-muscle connection. The moment you master the perfect dip, you're not just sculpting a chiseled upper body, you're cultivating a mindset that dares to defy limitations and push the boundaries of what's possible. Every rep is a testament to your determination and resilience. The exercise demands focus, precision, and a willingness to confront your inner doubts. As you steadily progress, the burn in your muscles transforms from a sign of struggle into a badge of honor, a vivid reminder that you are building not only muscle, but also an unbreakable will. Parallel bar dips are more than just a workout. They are a journey toward unlocking your full potential, both physically and mentally. So, step up to the parallel bars with confidence and resolve. Embrace each dip as an opportunity to break through your barriers and redefine your strength. In every movement, feel the surge of energy that propels you closer to your fitness goals, and let the sweat on your brow be the proof of your relentless pursuit of greatness. With each rep, you are not only sculpting a powerful upper body, but also forging a character that is resilient, unstoppable, and ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching, champions. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a beat. Now, click on the next video to keep the momentum going. Every representative counts on your journey to greatness. Let's push forward together. Stay strong and see you in the next one.